Hey guys, this is just a quick video on how to use this website that I have built in your spare time just to add more people. It's hard to find people to add in your spare time because there's no specific website. So what I've decided to do is build a website specifically for this as part of it. And there's also a lot of other things you can do like auto messenger, auto adding people and things like that. So if that's other things you're interested, hit subscribe and check out the other videos on the channel and drop a like. Well, we're going to start off by just heading to the website. So HTTPS. We're going to go straight into snapfame.me. All right, we're going to get straight into this website. And then you can have a look around here. You can see it's a fair bit. Like this is the current gold member on SnapFame, for example. So yeah, this is just a website basically for building up your account. We're going to go to the adder, which looks a bit older, and you're going to see names. So you just smash refresh as much as you want to, and you're going to get these names. So yeah, I'm just going to see if I can remember how to screenshot. Yeah, so we're just going to take a few screenshots quickly, just a couple, and just go through it. It's quite therapeutic, quite relaxing, just to get a few names, and then spam it a bit. So almost there, and we'll just do that for now, and then you go straight into Snapchat, up to your adding area, add, and then just click over them, and you'll be able to add all these people. So it'll just keep coming up. Some of them are a bit funny, but that is how you can just quickly add some more people. A lot of these people are people with large Snapchat followings, so you will be able to ask them for like SFS or things like that. I think I've hit them all, but that is just a real quick way. It's what I like to do in my downtime. Whenever I have some extra time to do stuff, I'll just go on and check out the website. But apart from that, we've also got this is going to be updated soon, but if you want to boost your account, you can go in here. So your name is provided more often, for example. So you can just put in your name and put in someone else's, and then just hit boost or enter, and you'll just fly through the algorithm. So you'll be preferred in the algorithm. So that was just a little tutorial on how to use this website in case you're looking for somewhere to auto add. I hope you guys have enjoyed the tutorial and everything, and it's a bit useful. Hit subscribe and watch my other videos if you want to see more content similar to this about how to kind of engineer your account to perfection. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.